Dear student, welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take a class for annual term examination, and today is your first class for class 1, and our today's topic is a sailing boat without color. Okay, let's do how to draw a sailing boat without color. Everyone be attentive. Okay, it's very easy. First you draw this line, then use again this line. First draw this, then use a curved line. Okay, you must draw this line like this. You don't curve this line. Okay, then use again a curved line and stop. Then draw a curved line again and draw this. Then you draw line like this and join here line like this. Okay, then use this line. Sailing boat, so that you should draw the sail. Without sail, this is incomplete. So draw the sail. Then use here the paint. Okay, then you use here a human figure who is the boatman. It's very easy method. And then erase this line. Then give the water. This is the sailing boat. It's very easy topic. You know that. Okay, you already know that a sailing boat is also your SW. So everyone do your assigned homework, and you should submit this homework at Sunday 2 p.m. to 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Then you know also that your SBA, your diary and city marks also depend on your SW. So everyone submit your SW. Thank you for today's